guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anika from Glitter Girls here, and today I received a huge slime order and I'm going to prepare it and I'm going to take you guys along with me. This is one of my favorite type of videos to make, and you guys can go follow me on Instagram at glittergirls.slime, where I post content very frequently. And if you want to see my new products and things, please subscribe to my channel and like this video for some more content. So the first thing that I did when I received my slime order is I wrote down all of these slimes that she ordered, and she ordered a total of 11 slimes, which is so much. And I just love making slime, so I think it's going to be super fun to prepare the slimes and just make it. So, oh yes, and if you would like to order some slime from me, please DM me on my Instagram or WhatsApp message 074-230-7741 to order, and I courier nationwide. So let's get right into the video. So I'm currently in my workspace and my storage place where this is the room where I store all of my slime supplies and things that I need to package and make your orders. I just want to show you guys where all of my things are stored.
So here's a little glimpse of my slime room. Here's some of my containers, packaging materials, ingredients. Just a little glimpse.
So for this slime order, I'm going to have to make some basic slime. I don't have enough basic slime in stock for this, so I had to make an extra batch, and you can see me scooping in all of my ingredients into my mixer and then just mixing my glue and everything to make the basic slime. If you want to see a basic slime recipe, please go check the one up on my YouTube channel. Where I reveal a super awesome and thick and glossy basic slime recipe that you can go check out. I will link that down in the comment section. And here I am finally done making the huge batch of basic slime. It turned out so nicely, and as you can see, I have a very nice basic slime recipe, and I definitely recommend buying basic slime from me. It's super thick and glossy and stretchy, and it's really one of my best selling textures. The basic slime that I made came out so nicely. I love basic slime, and I just love all of the basic slimes that I make. They're so pretty and have such an awesome texture for beginners and slime professionals, and it's super thick and glossy and stretchy. So the first slime that she ordered is Marshmallow Twist. She ordered this slime in a large, and it is a pink, blue and yellow basic slime swirled together, and it's just the color combination is so pretty. And then I'm just going to swirl it into the tub and close it up, and then later I'm going to add some beautiful glitters and decorate it. And then the second slime that she ordered is a medium of my paddle pop slime. Now this is one of my best sellers. It is a 4 multicolored slime, so it comes with a green, blue, pink and orange basic, well, crunchy slime actually, and it's just one of my best sellers. I also love the texture and it's so pretty. And then the next slime that she ordered from me is Llama Party, and I just love this slime. Purple is my favorite color, so anything purple I like. This slime is a purple, blue and yellow basic slime sold together, and she ordered a medium in the slime. My large slimes are 60 Rand, my medium slimes are 45, and my small slimes are 35 Rand. And then I also sell a wide variety of DIY slimes and slime kits. And then the next slime is Bubblegum. This is such a yummy slime. At the bottom is a blue basic slime, and on top is a pink clay slime, and then you get a plain white basic slime drizzle on top. So it just looks super yummy, just like a bubblegum milkshake. And And then the fourth slime that she ordered was a custom slime. This was a two-tone pink slime with some blue basic slime. Now the next slime is Barbie Milkshake. Those of you who know my slime shop for a long time know that I've been selling this slime since like forever, and it is still one of my best sellers. I just love it. It is a purple and pink and white basic slime, and it just resembles and looks like a Barbie milkshake. And then the sixth slime that she ordered is Candy Cane. And this is a Christmas slime I started selling last December, and I'm definitely going to sell it this year too. It sells so quickly, and she's actually the first person to order a Christmas slime for me this year. I will be releasing so much more exciting Christmas slimes with cute charms, just like I did yesterday. Just like I did last year. So keep an eye out for that on my Instagram. And then the next slime she ordered is a Galaxy, and this is a clear pigment slime. And you guys, I think this is my ultimate bestseller in my shop. I've been selling this slime since day one, and just look how pretty it is. It just reminds me of unicorns and the Milky Way. So beautiful. I love it. I definitely recommend purchasing it from my slime shop. So the next slime we're going to make is Sprinkle Party, and just look how awesome my base slime is that I made earlier, super thick and glossy. And Sprinkle Party is a crunchy slime, and it comes with the cutest rainbow foam beads. It's just one of my most beautiful slimes, and I've also been selling this slime for so long, and it's just so beautiful and popular. Also one of my best sellers. It's just absolutely filled with foam beads and toppings. So cute. And then at the bottom of the container, I add some of my pastel cute foam beads, and then I swirl the crunchy slime into it, and it just reminds me of a sprinkle party and parties and birthdays. So it's just an awesome slime to buy. And then the next slime is my Halloween slime kit, and you guys, this is my second newest slime that I've released recently. My newest one is my unicorn poop slime. Go check that out on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram. And the Halloween slime, you can choose a series of 5 different types of Halloween slime designs that I made, and they're all just so cute, and it comes in this cute black box and everything. So go check that out on my YouTube channel. So you guys, we made it. We are finally done packaging and tabbing all of these slimes. Now it's time for the funnest part. We're going to decorate it, and this is how I decorated Paddle Pop. Added some pink glitters and then some fruit primo slices. It's just so beautiful. It just looks like a rainbow. And now onto the next slime to decorate. So you can see I have Llama Party in my hands right now, and the colors made this beautiful ombre effect, and I added the most beautiful slime glitters and nail art hearts on top. So beautiful. And the next slime that I decorated was a marshmallow twist, and I also added some pink glitters and stars, and it's so beautiful and scented just like marshmallows. The next slime was Barbie Milkshake, and I also decorated this so beautifully, and it also created this beautiful ombre effect with all of the different colors. And then the next slime that I decorated was bubblegum, and this just looks so yummy, just like a bubblegum milkshake, and it is also scented like bubblegum. This slime was the slime that she ordered, and I added these beautiful glitters on top. This is Sprinkle Potty, and I've added some pink glitter on top, and it just looks so beautiful. This one was Carnival Candy, and it is a clay slime topped with bright orange clay and foam beads. This one was Candy Cane and also decorated it so beautifully. I love how it turned out. It reminds me just of Christmas. Here is the total amount of slimes she ordered. She ordered 11 slimes. That is so much, and I want to thank her for her huge order. I just love making and preparing slimes. It's just fun, such a fun process, and I love being creative. I added my logo sticker on top of all the containers, and now I'm going to show you how I packaged them. Just after this clip, I added all of the name stickers and labels to the sides of the containers. And here is the Halloween slime kit. Just look how cute it is. I also added some free stickers and a cute spider inside. I then bubble wrapped the entire package, added some shredded cute unicorn paper, a care sheet containing free stickers and an activator bottle, and I added loads of free sweets too. I added a bowl one, fruity strips, and some gummies. And that was the final box. It was so beautiful. I want to thank you for ordering, and thank you guys for watching. Remember to go follow us on Instagram, and if you would like to order, please contact me and comment down below if you enjoy this type of videos and maybe other video ideas that you guys want me to do. Thank you. Bye.